So what all can you do with a E pentatonic scale? The possibilities are endless. We're going to talk about that next and much more. Rock guitar, whether it be country guitar, whether it be blues guitar, whatever it is you want to do, I can help you learn to get to where you want to be. And right now I'm talking about, just to let you know, the E. And the thing about it is, when you put your finger on the 12th fret, it's the same guitar and rocking it up. You just gotta feel the music. You gotta understand how to feel the music. Hey everybody, Brandon here for Jam on Guitar Lessons. I want to help you learn the easy way of how to play guitar. If you've been having troubles learning guitar, been stuck on a specific way, I can help you in so many different ways. Learn an easy way to understand your guitar, know where you're at on guitar, and use your ear to be able to make it sound good and just have your own footprint on a style of guitar that you like, whether it be worship guitar at church, or whether it be rock guitar, whether it be country guitar, whether it be blues guitar, whatever it is you want to do, I can help you learn to get to where you want to be. And right now I'm talking about the E Minor Pentatonic Scale is one of the things that I'm talking about here. And I can teach you that one-on-one much easier than I could on this video. But I can do a Zoom video and do one-on-one lessons with you. We can set that up, or we can set up one-on-one lessons here in Richmond, Kentucky, or surrounding here in Richmond, Kentucky, and we can set this up. And just to let you know, the E pentatonic scale can go all the way up and down the neck, but there's one main part where people teach you the E pentatonic scale, and for the E minor pentatonic scale, it's up here at the 12th fret, and you put your finger, if you put your finger on the 12th fret, and you go 1, 2, 3 frets. The first and the second string is 1, 2, 3 frets apart, and you can use those two at the bottom. And it sounds like this. Let me turn my overdrive off a little bit. And then you step over to where it's just 2 frets apart on the next string until you get to the 6th string, which is the top E string. And then you go back to 3 frets apart. So 3 frets at the top, the bottom 2, which is the 1st and the 2nd string, and then 2 apart all the way up to the top E string, which is the low E string. So it goes just like this. Then you can go back down. And the thing about it is learning with your ear to play what you want to play with that. And learning other spots where the pentatonic scale is up and down the neck, because it starts over, everything starts over at the 12th fret. Your 12th fret is the same note as when it's open, when your string is open. So if your bottom string is open, and then you put your finger on the 12th fret, it's the same. So you have actually the same scale right here, but you use the open part of it for the scale instead of a fret. So it would be open 1, 2, 3, and then on the bottom 2 strings, just like up here, open 1, 2, 3, and then open 1, 2, open 1, 2, open 1, 2, and then open 1, 2, 3, just like three apart, just like at the bottom here. It's the same notes, it's just another octave up here at the bottom of the neck, or the top of the neck, however you want to say it. Up here at the bridge, it's the same notes as it is up here at the 12th fret, because like I said, everything starts over at the 12th fret. And there's so much that I can teach you with that. but I want to be able to do one-on-one lessons with you, through Zoom, so where I can explain it a little better and help you know where you're at on the guitar, to where you can take that E minor pentatonic scale, and you can move it anywhere for whatever key you're in. So like, say you're playing A minor rather. A minor pentatonic scale is the same as the C. It's the relative major is C. So here's your scale right here. So that's why it sounds good with that A minor. So it's an A minor pentatonic scale. So when you're playing blues and you play, your E, and you go down to the A, it's the same scale. It's the same shape, I should say, for the scale. There's shapes that I can teach you as well, to where you can use the shapes of the scale to use for ambient music and worship teams at church, or just fills, used for fills on different songs that you're writing or different songs that you're playing, to where you can put your own little feel on the song with whatever style you want to play, that you make your own. You make it your own style. And so that's my spiel on pentatonic scales. And I play a lot out of an E minor pentatonic scale and the A minor pentatonic scale when I'm playing a lot of blues stuff. That's exactly what that is right there. Right there is an old blues riff that tons and tons of people have used for years for many different types of songs, even rock songs. A lot of harder rock songs, especially older style 60s, 70s, rock songs are just taking some blues style guitar and rocking it up. I'm a pastor. I hate to use this as an example, but if you listen to AC/DC, She's Got the Jack, then that's exactly what that is an old blues. It's an old blues riff. I mean, and that's what it is. It's an old blues riff, and then they take that scale and they play the lead out of that scale. But I can teach you all this in a better timing, one-on-one, and better one-on-one. And I'm going to actually pretty soon put out. It's gonna take me a little while, but I say pretty soon, but it's gonna take me a little while. But I'm gonna make a learning series on my website or somewhere. Probably on my website, I'll have learning series to where you go from very beginners guitar, to intermediate, to the advanced stuff. You learn the advanced stuff, and I've always been what you call a sloppy blues player or sloppy blues rock player. And like I said, I do ambient music as well for church, and play my chords and play my ambient music for the church as well, to where you can take some pedals and do some awesome stuff with it. you just learn as you go, and there's things that I can teach you as you go to where you can do this if you're wanting to play guitar at your church, if you're wanting to play guitar in a band, if you want to just sit around leisurely, just play guitar at home and just to have some fun, because it's all about having fun with guitar. You don't have to be real technical to learn how to play guitar. You just got to feel the music. You got to understand how to feel the music and how to know where you are on your guitar to be able to put everything together. And that's what I do. I help you understand where you are on the guitar and help you feel the music and hear the music to be able to have the ear to put things together. And this is Brandon for Jam on Guitar Lessons. Hit the like button. Hit the like button if you're on here, and subscribe. And I'm gonna be putting out more every single week, every single day. I'm gonna be putting out more on guitar to help you learn how to play what needs to be played, for you, just for you. And you all have a blessed day. I will talk to you another time.